Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salsabila Faramutia, NIM 190599202. In this video, I will present research proposal, customer satisfaction analysis and post-shopping service quality in Budiman Swalayan, Padang City. A modern market is a market in which seller and buyer do not transact directly, but buyers see the price tag listed on the goods barcodes, are in buildings, and the service are carried out independently, self-service or served by salespeople. Kotler 2001. Self-service is self-service by the buyer because the company does not provide salespeople. This means serving yourself by being given the freedom to choose the desired product without being surveyed by a salesperson. Budiman is a fairly large retail business in the city of Padang. However, now there are many retail businesses that have sprung up in the city of Padang, but on a large and small scale, thus making the level of competition in the retail industry the city of Padang higher. However, Budiman has the potential to be able to compete with other retail business, of which is the size of the outlet store, which is quite large, and the location is very strategic and has been known by many people. Formulation of the problem. Based on the background above, there are several problem formulation as follows. 1. How is the influence of consumer satisfaction after shopping at Budiman Supermarket, Padang City? 2. How does the post-shopping service quality influence at Budiman Supermarket, Padang City? Next, consumer satisfaction. According to Kotler and Keller 2007, consumer satisfaction is a person's feeling of pleasure or disappointment that arises after comparing the performance result of a product that is thought to the expected performance result. If performance is below expectations, the consumer is dissatisfied. If performance exceeds expansion, the consumer is satisfied. Consumer satisfaction shopping at Budiman in terms of service is quite satisfying. The waiter at Budiman can be said to be quite agile in serving consumer, and servants of Budiman employees to the match consumer who shop there are very friendly and serve patiently when they find consumer who are confused looking for good desired. Not only the waiters in the supermarket, Budiman also provide a large inner parking space, and the security of the vehicle is maintained because Budiman has provided employees who stand guard in the parking lot so that consumers feel safe and comfortable shopping at this Budiman supermarket. Budiman self-service strive to provide good service to the consumer. There are several retail companies similar to Budiman Swalayan which are not too far from Budiman Swalayan. Next, service quality. Service quality is the main basics to determine the level of consumer satisfaction. In this case, the company can be said to be good if it is able to provide goods or service in accordance with the wishes of consumer. Product quality and good service performance will greatly affect consumer satisfaction. The quality of service from Budiman Padang is quite good include 1. Handling consumer complaints to solve problem quickly and finish on time, help consumer in finding goods they need that can satisfy consumer. 4. Employees quickly respond to consumer requests. 5. Employees respond to complaints from customer regarding damage to goods properly. 6. Handling consumer complaints to payment at the cashier. 7. Completeness and availability of goods sold. To conduct this research located at Budiman Bypass Kuranji, Street Durian Tarung number 1, Ambacang, Kecamatan Kuranji, Padang City, West Sumatra. The population in this study is Budiman Swalayan consumer who will make purchase during the research period. Because the number of Budiman consumer cannot be known with certainty, so this population is an unlimited category. The sample is part of the population studied in a study, and the result will be considered the description of the original population but not the population itself. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.